Think of your fondest memories growing up. Maybe you played with friends and family. Perhaps you played with toys. Or you enjoyed reading. Think about all those experiences. They all had one thing in common: learning and discovery. Discovering new things about friends, about family, about society, most of all, about yourself. That is what brings that spark of recognition to every child's eyes, and puts a smile on their faces. Fostering that learning and discovery is what we do at IDMANN Academy. Our tagline, Beyond Learning, emphasizes our commitment to help provide the best foundation for your children so they become self-aware, confident, and well-rounded adults. Our programs are centered around families, and the need to give children the very best early childhood education experience. That way, they can learn and discover for themselves, and keep growing for the rest of their lives. That is what every parent wants for their children. At IDMANN Academy, we share that commitment. Our tutorial programs address the needs of families, bearing in mind that every child is unique. Take our Private Tutor Program, PTP. IDMANN PTP is built around the idea that every child is unique. PTP matches one student with one tutor. Think about that. One highly trained, experienced tutor, focused entirely on meeting the needs of your unique child. Teaching, encouraging, and supporting your child all day, every day. There is nothing like watching a child come into their own, because they are in their very own class, and can learn at their very own pace. Learning becomes fun. Some can move much faster, others need a bit more time. Whatever the case, the pairing between an experienced, dedicated tutor and your child ensures that he or she gets the unique support they need. PTP provides personalized support to cover all the core academic needs of the student. The program caters to gifted children, children with special needs, as well as parents seeking accelerated support for their children. This is the next best thing to having you, the parent, teaching your child at home, all day, every day. Our Cooperative Parents Alliance, CPA, builds on the concept of individualized instruction, developed in PTP. Here, a small group of families with similar goals for their children, form a small cooperative in which the children learn from the same curriculum. Though we do the teaching and coaching, the curriculum is shaped by their parents' desires and learning objectives for their children. For instance, in addition to the core subjects, some parents may want their children to learn a language, or pursue a craft or skill, as part of their overall development. Working closely with the parents, CPA provides for that. As the parent, you get to choose what is most important to you, and we add that to the curriculum and teach your child as part of the learning cooperative. Children learn and grow alongside other children from like-minded homes. The social interaction amongst the students in the cooperative is important to some parents. Using our class-leading online tutorial platform and extensive library of tutorial material, CPA provides for that and more, all from the safety of your home. CPA puts the power right back where it belongs. In the hands of parents. At some point, every student is required to take an entrance examination or some assessment test. Our Entrance Preparation Program, EPP, is designed to address that specific need. EPP uses our world-class online testing environment to test students, identify areas of weakness, and pair them with experienced instructors to help close the relevant gaps. In many cases, our platform has passed questions going back several decades, so students are able to test and retest, under real-life conditions, until they master the subject material, and the mechanics of the test itself. By working with a dedicated coach and subject tutor, students are able to master and prepare for the test by identifying and strengthening areas of weakness. IDMANN EPP covers a variety of assessment tests and entrance exams. The covered exams are listed on our website at www.idmann.academy. So, for parents who want to homeschool, or provide additional support, PTP, CPA and/or EPP can help meet the academic needs of their children. While it is true that examinations and tests are important, there is more to learning than academics. That is where our development programs come in. Our High Achievers Camp, HAC, provides children with a variety of personal, professional, and cultural development experiences. Classes are held primarily on weekends. In addition to a foreign language, public speaking, and numeracy, optional classes include music, photography, fine art, financial management, food and nutrition, fashion and garment making, digital technology, creative writing, computer programming, and so much more. These weekend classes are led by highly experienced instructors in their respective fields, and are designed to enable young students explore personal development and professional options from the safety of home. This is how to go beyond learning to doing. The language component in the High Achievers Camp is drawn from our International Language Program, ILP. In ILP, individuals, families, or groups learn a language of their choice in live sessions with a trained and experienced language instructor. ILP welcomes students at various levels of proficiency, from the absolute beginner to more advanced students. This is a great way to help children and families connect, or reconnect in some cases, with certain cultures or countries that may be part of their heritage. Organizations can also prepare their staff to work and interact with customers and associates across cultural and linguistic barriers. ILP covers many languages, all of which are listed on our website. Finally, think of what parents grapple with every summer. Kids are out of school, and there are not that many supportive programs to ensure continued learning through the summer. By the time September rolls around, there is significant learning loss, and valuable time is spent making up for lost ground. This is entirely avoidable, and that is where our Global Summer Camp, GSC, comes in. During the week, students have tutors who work directly with them to address their academic needs. This can be done individually, like in the Private Tutor Program, or in small groups, like in the Cooperative Parents Alliance. Then on weekends, students form small groups to take fun and exciting personal development classes from our High Achievers Camp. One feature of our Global Summer Camp is that we endeavor to bring in students from different regions and countries to form the classes. That way it is truly a unique cultural experience for the students. GSC ensures that students are actively and productively engaged 6 days a week, and there is no opportunity for learning loss. In many cases, students are well ahead of their peers at the start of the next school year. That is the way summer should be. When combined with our academic tutorial programs, our development program ensures that we provide your child with the well-rounded foundation they need. That is what makes our offering at IDMANN Academy unique. And we will continue to work with families to ensure that their children have the strong foundation needed for their future development. Do you have children who you want to get ahead? Our enrollment period has started. Here is how you can reach us. Visit our website at www.idman.academy to learn more and to apply. If you would like to email us, our email address is support@idman.academy. Our toll-free number is 833-4-IDMANN. Again, that number is 833-4-4-3-6-2-6-6. By WhatsApp or text message, you may reach us at +1 202 247 1557. We look forward to welcoming you and your family into one of our programs. Thank you for sharing our commitment to go beyond learning at IDMANN Academy.